Hello friends, Namaskar. Here in this video, I am going to talk about turmeric. How turmeric can be a life-saving medicine for our system, especially now when the whole world is suffering from this deadly coronavirus. How turmeric can protect our immune system and particularly for our lungs, as this virus is directly affecting our respiratory system. It starts from upper respiratory system and it deeply penetrates to the lungs and it creates lung failures. So how you can use turmeric, just a life-saving, or just by understanding few steps and it becomes a life-saving medicine. See, turmeric is proven as a best immunomodulator, like it protects our immune system and keep it perfect and best. So when you take turmeric regularly, because of the turmeric, curcumin helps our body to fight against any kind of infection. When long before, when Zika virus came or chikungunya came, turmeric was proven as a very effective medicine, to eradicate or to cure this kind of problem. What happens when you are taking turmeric regularly, especially when this virus is entering in the system? So this, during the incubation period, when you are regularly taking the turmeric, it will not allow this virus cell binding to happen. So this breaks and it makes it ineffective. Second thing, what happens, turmeric during the incubation period, the cell are so much prepared, immune, so this virus becomes totally inactive. So just turmeric, regular intake of turmeric may help you not to get into this problem. Turmeric is best known to reduce this respiratory secretions, like when the sinus are getting inflamed, again the weather change, especially when the flu happens, pollen starts changing, ambrosia start. Simply turmeric helps inflammations to reduce, because without inflammations no further pathology takes place. So turmeric helps to reduce the inflammation. So as soon as the inflammation is reduced, your mostly respiratory system is protected. So either is starting from the sinus inflammations or sinusitis or running nose or nasal irritation, it stops immediately. Or if it's going to the lungs and there is some lungs inflammations or allergy happening from any allergens to the lungs, inflammation is taking place. So turmeric helps in both cases, either upper respiratory system or lower respiratory system. It stops mucus production secretions in our windpipe. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric just in the morning, and always turmeric need to be combined with black pepper, because curcumin cannot be absorbed directly. So you need black pepper because of the piperine. So 2-3 pinches of black pepper powder would be sufficient with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can mix together, dissolve in a cup of hot water, or you can mix with honey, you can mix in hot milk, you can mix in almond milk, whatever the way you like to eat. So 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening when you have a weak respiratory system, when you are prone to get respiratory problem, and it keeps your whole immune system good. Here I am just talking about respiratory system, because this coronavirus particularly affecting our respiratory system. This is how the pathology deeply penetrate. So when your whole immune system is protected, you are protected. So take turmeric regularly, morning and evening, before breakfast and before going to the sleep, with warm water, and it's really going to help you. So this is just a few things I wanted to share. Thank you so much. Keep watching.